What is cursor effect? It is basically when you use your mouse, you can make it larger for people. And this is helpful when you are doing tutorial videos and you are explaining stuff on your PC screen. If your mouse pointer highlighted, then people can follow that you are doing on the screen. In this video, I will show you how to use this feature in Camtasia Studio. So let's get started. Here you see we already added a sample recorded PC screen. Remember, you only add this cursor effect if you record your screen using Camtasia through their screen recorder. If you record your video using your mobile camera or GoPro or something like that, then you can't add this cursor effect. Now, if we want to cursor effect in this screen recording video, then simply click on cursor effect. Here we see cursor highlighted effect, cursor magnify effect, and cursor spotlight effect. I personally like cursor highlighted effect. To add this effect, simply drag this in your video. In our canvas, we see our cursor is already highlighted. To remove this cursor effect and add another, you just simply right click on your video track and remove all effect. Now I drag cursor magnify effect in our video track. Here you see we successfully add cursor magnify effect. To remove this, simply go to remove and select all effect. Not only that, we can also add mouse left click and right click effect. To do this, simply drag any of your preferred effect. I just simply dragged in our video clip. For the right click of mouse, we choose right click ripple effect. To add this, simply drag it in your video track. Let's play. Here you see we successfully add left click and right click effect. In this way, we can easily add cursor effect, cursor magnify effect, or cursor spotlight effect, custom left and right click effect. Thanks for watching.